Hey everyone, are we tired of getting spam or emails from senders we don't want to hear from anymore? Unwanted emails can fill up our inbox, waste our time, and even be a security risk. Today, we will show how to block unwanted emails so our inbox stays clean, organized, and easy to manage. The main reason we block unwanted emails is to protect our inbox and make our email experience better. When we block certain senders, their messages stop showing up, and we have fewer distractions from spam or emails we don't need. This helps us focus on what matters, avoid phishing or scam emails, and have more control over our digital life. Blocking emails is a simple but effective way to stay organized and safe online. Let's go through the steps together so everyone can follow along. First, we open our browser and go to gmail.com. Then we log into our account. Once logged in, we are taken to our inbox. To block someone in Gmail, we click on the message to open it. Look for the three dots, called the More option. We click this, and then choose the Block option. By doing this, we stop that sender from reaching our inbox, and we won't get any more emails from them. We can unblock the block sender by redoing what we have done. Go to the mail and go Unlock in the More settings. Blocked mail in Gmail refers to emails from specific senders that are automatically sent to your spam folder instead of the inbox. When you block someone, future messages from them skip your inbox, though they are not completely prevented from reaching your account. This feature helps manage unwanted, annoying, or suspicious senders. That's how we block unwanted emails. In just a few clicks, we can stop annoying or suspicious messages and enjoy a cleaner inbox. Let's remember to block and report emails we don't want. Less stress on working on emails, and no risk in clicking.